Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make fruit salad healthy. First, let's talk about choosing your fruits. Aim for a vibrant mix of colors, like deep red berries, bright orange citrus, and green kiwi. This ensures you get a wide array of vitamins and antioxidants. Always pick ripe, seasonal fruits for the best flavor and nutritional value. Consider organic options to minimize pesticide intake, making your salad even healthier. Next, proper preparation is key. Always wash all your fruits thoroughly under cool running water, even those with peels, to remove any surface contaminants. Then, cut your fruits into uniform, bite-sized pieces. This makes the salad easier and more enjoyable to eat. Remember to remove any seeds, cores, or tough skins, like from pineapple or mango, for a smoother, more pleasant texture in every spoonful. Now, let's enhance the flavor and nutrition. A squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice not only brightens the taste, but also helps prevent fruits like apples and bananas from browning. For an aromatic touch, try adding a sprinkle of fresh herbs, such as chopped mint or basil. If you desire a little extra sweetness, a very light drizzle of natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, perhaps 1 or 2 teaspoons, can be a lovely addition. Finally, let's talk about enjoying your delicious creation. For the absolute best taste and texture, serve your fruit salad immediately after preparing it. If you have any leftovers, store them in an airtight container in the refrigerator. It will typically stay fresh and delicious for up to 3 days. This healthy fruit salad is perfect as a refreshing snack, a light breakfast, or a naturally sweet dessert option.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.